Okay, here's a fun thing to try, but probably not a good thing to do. But I'll still do it for the demonstration's sake. What's the big deal? So this is 96 megahertz tuned on my computer phone, and watch what what happens when I touch the crystal. Produces some sort of a noise. No, I don't know what the reason, but here's the cool part. This is the F mega microcontroller, and look what, like, if I go touch the other side, I think pins, those side of the pins, there's nothing like substantial that happens. But watch what happens when I come to this side. Based on the tactile input I get, pretty cool, huh? I don't know if it's a safe thing to do. It's probably not a safe thing to do, but just for the demonstration's sake, it's pretty fun. Bye.